Hi, the case for today is Olga Tellis and others versus Bombay Municipal Corporation and others, AIR 1985. This case is also known as Pavement Dwellers case. The petitioners challenged the validity of Bombay Municipal Corporation Act 1888, which empowered the municipal authorities to remove their huts from pavements or public roads. The pavement dwellers gave an undertaking that they would not claim any fundamental right to put up huts on public roads or pavements and that they would not obstruct the demolition after a certain date. When the huts were sought to be demolished after the specific date, the pavement dwellers put up the plea that they were protected by Article 21 of the Constitution of India. They should be given notice before the demolition takes place. Therefore, they approached the Bombay High Court. The Bombay High Court obtained an interim injunction which remained in effect till 21st of July 1981. According to the respondents, the huts won't be taken down until October 15th, 1981. On July 23rd, 1981, petitioners were placed in state transport buses and expelled from Bombay for violating the agreement. The respondents' action was criticized by the petitioner. Therefore, they approached the Apex Court of India. Coming to the issues. Number 1. Is it possible for fundamental rights to be waived or estoppeled against? Number 2. Would eviction of a pavement dweller amount to depriving them of their livelihood guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution of India? Number 3. Is it against the law to label pavement dwellers as trespassers? Number 4. Is it unreasonable to allow encroachments to be removed without notice according to the Bombay Municipal Corporation Act 1888? According to the petitioner, Article 21 protects the right to life and the right to receive some form of support. They mentioned that moving out of their slums would result in them losing their right to use pavements, which would be a violation of these rights. As a result, it is not in line with the Constitution. In addition, the petitioner pointed out that Section 314 of the Bombay Municipal Corporation Act 1888, where the municipality's commissioner can remove the encroachment from the pavement without any prior information or notice. The respondent's argument was that population regulation is necessary. There were certain activities in certain areas to ensure the health of the state and prevent public safety and congestion. Coming to the observation and decision. The Supreme Court of India overruled the objection, saying that the fundamental rights could be waived. There can be no estoppel against the Constitution, which is the paramount law of the land. The Honorable Court observed, no individual can barter away the freedoms conferred on him by the Constitution. The Honorable Court held that the word Article 21 of the Constitution of India includes the right to livelihood also, because no person can live without the means of livelihood. However, it stated the right to livelihood can be curtailed by just and fair procedure. The restrictions put on slum dwellers is reasonable because it is in the interest of the general public, but at the same time, the state is obligated to guarantee that its citizens had enough resources for survival, including the right to work. The Honorable Court stated that the pavement dwellers have the right to generate income, which is a part of the right to life. The Supreme Court of India advocated for alternative resettlement. The Supreme Court of India affirmed that the petitioners were compelled to live in the slums because of involuntary activities. There were no malified purpose and therefore no criminal trespass. The Section 314 of the Bombay Municipal Corporation Act is not unreasonable. However, the court suggested that the state should take kind and respectful approach while dealing with marginalized sections of the society. The Honorable Court stated that slums that have been there for 20 years or more shouldn't be removed, and alternative locations must be provided unless the land is required for the public good. Thank you.